insurance companies. So I'll just say the government wise role is very much important in terms of policy and regulations. So whatever policies and regulations they are framing or going to frame in coming years, not only for one department wise or Ministry of Power or Ministry of Renewable Energy, but in all departments, Ministry of Urban Affairs, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and all even railway departments, wherever infrastructure is there, and if it is going to impact because of some rules, policy and regulations, there this climate change impact issue need to be considered and addressed. Because here the thing is, one department, like there is a disaster management department, something, they say we are there, but it is they are there for, if something happens after that. But to prevent those events, we have to develop resilient infrastructure, and that infrastructure, Ministry of Road, Highways, with all department have to have this things in place at policy level and regulation level and document level itself, designing level itself. So in design, all the design codes, standards need to be revisited. Like what design codes was there that developed long back. Now this needs to be revisited, and this long-term impact of climate change also need to be incorporated on this design codes and standards, because the assets what we are going to build, that will be there for next 20 to 30 years down the line. And the design codes what is right now existing, that is actually framed very long back, considering historical weather or climatic scenarios. But those things are keep on changing, so we have to upgrade those standards and codes to address this futuristic issues. Now the infrastructure, energy projects also need to be all the impact assessment need to be done on all these new projects. This carbon and greenhouse gases, wherever at source level it is there, so tax should be imposed there itself, so that at least we can, like at government level, like this can be minimized. And ESG sustainability reporting, those things also need to be mandatory implemented at all levels in all departments and organizations. And one of the important thing is stress testing is also very important. Whatever infrastructure is there in coastal areas or climatic prone areas or vulnerable areas, in those areas stress testing need to be done, and the government should give some sort of guidelines to conduct those stress testing, so that adoption so that proper mitigation action can be taken. Same like financial institution wise, there's at least some sort of like whatever investment they are making, so at least 50% investment out of that should be there to support the activities of warning system and climate resilient infrastructure in agriculture. Why 50%? Right now, if you look at the overall, I'm talking about the global level, like overall investment for sustainable and clean energy sector is very, very limited. It's even in single, like not more than 18%, I think, but that need to be increased. So wherever there is a like circular green or low carbon, technology is there, that need to be finalized. That need to be actually promoted, and fund should be available. Low cost fund should be available, to promote this climate resilient infrastructure project. So these are the actions can be taken from financial institution side. And insurance, Mr. Sanjay Datta already have given very good explanation, like what actions they are taking. So already, like at underwriting level, this guidelines and loss of potential they have started. So those things, like other insurance companies also need to be looked into, and then also they should bring some innovative, cost-effective product for infrastructure and energy sector. Like especially in India, there are very limited, products, insurance products are available So they have to come out with new products to address new upcoming demands, and that one area where insurance sector also can look into, and they should also accelerate deployment of scientific tools for mapping long-term extreme climatic events at project locations. So these are the